Today we're going to take a quick look at these beer bottle ice molds. The company did send these over and compensate me to make this video, and these things are pretty cool. So they are made out of silicone, so they're going to be really easy to use, wash, all that fun stuff. So you basically just pour your water into here, put this in the freezer for about 4 hours, and then when you want to get it out, the instructions say to flip it over and there's run tap water in these holes and kind of get it loose, and you can pop the ice out. I didn't read those instructions. I literally just folded it out just like that. So either way probably works, but it does come in a pack of 2. Great for a 6-pack. And so here's what it looks like. This is the big chunk of ice and worked really well. I mean, I just put the water in there and now I can slide that right over. Fits perfectly on those bottles, keeping them cool. So that's what it looks like outside of the ice tray, and this is what it looks like inside of the mold. So pretty cool. Definitely a conversation piece for your next party. And you show up, and put these in the cooler. Obviously you can just use them for just ice makers, just to put big chunks of ice in your cooler. But you definitely show up with a 6-pack with a couple of these on there, and you're gonna get some looks, and people are gonna go, "What is that?" Which I think is pretty funny conversation piece for your next party. So hopefully this helps.